In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video inside container in Card. We're going to place a video neatly inside a container so your layout stays clean and responsive, whether you're building a landing page, portfolio, or a simple one-pager. Start by heading to Card's website. From there, open your dashboard to access your sites. Choose the project you want to edit, and Card will load the builder where you can add and arrange elements on your page. In the builder, look for the Add button. Click it to open the element picker. Select Container. A container helps you group items so they move and scale together. This is especially handy if you're designing sections with text, images, and a video that should align as one unit. After adding the container, you can adjust its layout if needed, such as switching to columns, tweaking padding, or setting width, so you have the right space ready for your video. Once your container looks the way you want, click Add again. This time choose Video. Card will prompt you to pick how you want to bring in the video, upload or embed. Upload means you provide the actual video file from your device. This is useful for hosting the media directly on your site, though larger files may affect load time. Embed means you paste a link from a hosting platform, like a public video URL, allowing that platform to stream the content. Embeds typically load faster and handle playback controls for you. If you're embedding, paste the video's share URL into the field provided. Make sure the video is publicly accessible or set to unlisted if needed, so it can display without errors. If you're uploading, choose your file and let it process. Stick to common formats and keep the file size reasonable for smoother playback. When you're done configuring those options, click Done. The video element should appear inside the container you created. If it lands outside the container, just drag and drop the video block into the container area. You'll see the element highlight or nest visually when it's in the right place. From there, you can fine-tune spacing and alignment so the video sits comfortably with any surrounding content. That's it. Your video is now placed inside a container in Card, keeping your design organized and responsive. Thanks for watching and enjoy building.